array function makes your calculation so much easy, and that's what we are going to learn in this particular video. So hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. In this video we are going to learn how to use array function in MS Excel. So let's get into the video without any further ado. So guys, as you can see, this is a dummy data which I have added into this Excel sheet, and here I am going to show you how you can apply array function in these particular data, right? Basically, let me tell you about the array function. That basically is not a formula. This is not a array function is not a separate formula. It's just an function which can be used in other formulas so that your calculation becomes more easier, right? So let's just understand how we can use array function. So let's just let me first tell you that what are the normal ways, what are the normal formulas we use to calculate these numbers, right? So right now we want to calculate these two numbers. This is the price of a product and this is the quantity. So here we have to write the total pricing, right? So we have to multiply these two numbers. So for that we use is equals to, then we select the price, then multiplication sign, and then the quantity, and just hit enter, and the number comes here, and then we drag this to all the cells. So that's how we calculate the pricing. And then if we talk about the grand total, the total formula is, if you want to calculate the total number, so for that we have to write sum bracket open, then select the number, and then just drag it like this and press enter, and the grand total comes here. But in this way you need some time to do all the things, because as you can see I have just this small data, but if you have thousands of numbers, thousands of data, then this type of calculation might become more time taken. That's why we use array function to more simplify, to more faster do these things, right? So let me just tell you that how we can use array function to calculate these numbers easily. Let's say I directly want the total number. I don't want to calculate all these things. I just want the total number. Let me just delete these ones so that you can understand properly. So I've deleted these things, right? Now I want the total number directly. I don't want to calculate these things. I just want that the system can calculate these prices and these quantity and bring out the grand total, right? So for that we can use array function, and to activate any formula, as I have already told you, you have to write is equals to, then sum. Now we are going to use array function, right? Bracket open, select all these numbers, right? Then into the quantity of these numbers, right? Then is equals to, and just press Control Shift enter, and the grand total will be here without calculating these things. So that's how you use array function. I'm also gonna tell you some more extra things. Now let's say you want these numbers as well. So for that we can apply again array function. Let me just select all these cells. Okay, I've just selected all these cells. Now I have to apply the formula, but I can't apply in this particular cell, because if I apply formula here, then all other cells will be deselected. So for that I have to go to this formula bar, so that all the cells, I mean for that so that the formula can be applied to all the cells, right? Now in the formula bar, let me just expand it a bit. In the formula bar I have to write is equals to, then select all these numbers, into, then select all the quantity, right? That's what we were trying to do, right? Now just press Control Shift enter, and boom, all the numbers are here. Now you might be thinking that whether this number is correct or not, because we have used array function to calculate these things, right? So let's just calculate all these numbers so that we can find out that whether this number is correct or not. So for that you can do one thing, just select all these things, and here if you have applied your sum function, that the data which shown in your status bar, if you have applied, you will be able to see the calculation over here as well. Otherwise you can just apply another formula, sum bracket open, select all these numbers, and bracket close, hit enter. As you can see, both the numbers are same, which means the array function worked properly. The number is correct totally, right? So that's how you can apply, you can use array function in your formula so that you can do your calculation a bit more faster, right? I hope you understood how you can apply array function, and if you still have any question or query, please comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. If you still think I should explain some more, or I should explain anything in any particular topic, please comment down below. I'll create a dedicated video on that particular topic. And if you like this video, please hit that subscribe and like button. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.